So here we are at the Vocas stand, and with me I have Andre. We have the C300 Mark II behind us, and there are some new accessories that Vocas have developed, and Andre is going to talk us through them. So over to you, Andre.
Yeah, thank you, Bobby. Here we have the C300 Mark II. We developed a very small, nice cheese plate. There's some extra space made by Canon, so you can set up the handle. And what most important is we have a bracket for a viewfinder, so you can bring out your LCD screen and you can put on the camera on your shoulder, and you have a very nice view on the viewfinder. If you have your own viewfinder, like for instance Alphatron or Segudo or whatever, we have a bracket that goes on here, and that way you have a very nice straight look to the viewfinder. All the existing stuff from the C300 will also fit to the C300 Mark II, so the base plate, the grips, etc. are all the same as already in the program.
Brilliant. And I can see the handle's ever so slightly shorter now. Is that so the viewfinder's not so high up anymore, or?
It's not high up, but the most important thing is you can bring it out. In the past it was always here. It was very hard to take a good look at the screen.
Of course. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the other side of the stand and bring you some new products that Vocas have also developed. So back in a mo. So we've moved over to the other side of the Vocas stand now, where we have been lucky enough to be shown some new products which are coming very shortly from Vocas. And Andre's going to run through them with us to give you a better insight as to what's to come shortly. Andre, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Bobby. First of all, I'd like to start with a complete new universal USB-P, we call it. It's based on VCT14. Clicks in very easily, and then if it's waggling, you can adjust and tidy it up.
So if the top plate is actually wobbling about, you can then use that screw to tighten it up and stop the wobbling.
For instance, if you have industrial VCT14, VCT14U, then it's always waggling, and by just pulling this knob, it's very stable. And it still slides off easy.
Right now it's only one.
Then we have possibility of changing the position of the shoulder pad. We are developing also a new set of different shoulder pads, a gel pad, a hard pad, a soft pad, so everybody can make his own situation.
And that's just magnetic, is it?
That's just magnetic, but doesn't
very
fall off.
solid.
It's very solid, and it's on the shoulder, so it doesn't fall off. Besides that, we have a sliding plate, which makes it very easy to balance your camera. But also you can take it off, and here it's on 15. You can slide it onto this plate, and then you have 19. I will show you. Goes off. Camera's on there. Now I need my glasses. There we go. Lock it up, and now it's on 19. You have on 19 set up.
So you've gone to 15 to a 19.
Yeah.
Very, very quickly.
Without taking everything off your camera, you just shift it over. In case if you don't mind to have the big 19 system on your shoulder, we made a special shoulder pad for that. So also
this is also a new product as well.
Also a new product. You can see it because it's shining. It's prototyping, so just put it on your shoulder and you can run with 19 on your shoulder.
And again, that uses the same sort of magnetic shoulder pad, and there'll be different options as well for that as well.
So we created the complete modular systems. If you maybe can imagine that this plate, where your camera is on, can also shift in a gimbal. We have the other side also available. Put it in a gimbal, put it on a car where you want to have it.
That's brilliant.
A complete modular system.
And on the 15, I noticed there was quite a lot of space to actually move this plate as well. There's a lot of travel as well. So again, for balancing the camera, that would be sort of ideal to shift the weight. Moving on, I can see we've got a new wooden hand grip. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yeah, it's not a new grip. It's, I would say, a famous grip we already had. But now we put in some electronics.
Right,
so it's you can use it on the length protocols, for instance, from the Canon C300, 100, or the whole series, and also the FS7 or the F55. You have the complete protocol. Start/stop button.
Yep.
And this we have assigned to magnifying, but for a Canon you can also do other things, autofocusing, etc.
Okay, so as standard that's assigned to focus magnification, but on the Canon you can reassign that.
Yeah, you can go to the menu and you can reassign it.
That sounds brilliant. Next, I believe we have the MFC. Is that correct?
But yeah, a follow focus. Somebody stole it. Thank you very much.
And it's a double MFC. I can see.
It's a new double MFC indeed. You probably would say there are a lot already in the market, but we have a very unique point in this. If you can see, this is a self-adjusting arm. So it has a sort of pressure against the lens. So it's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's a very nice.
And then you just lock that in place.
You can lock it in place.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's rotating. We have a 1-to-1 gearing and we have a 1-to-2 gearing.
Okay.
Go either way.
And sort of release dates and price points. Do you have an idea of release dates and price points for all of these new products?
This product will take a little bit longer, but it will be available in January at the price point around €1,800 for a full set. So tune-ups and the gear.
Wow, that's amazing. And what about the hand grip? Is that the same or January release again? Or?
The new electronics in the hand grip is available within 2-3 weeks.
Okay, and do we know where the price point is on this?
Price point is, for the complete set, is €650.
Wow, okay. And again, we'll head back to the shoulder brackets and the US BPs.
Yeah.
Do we know when the release dates are and price points?
The complete module system will be available half of November, end of November.
Okay.
So some parts earlier, some parts later.
Okay, and do we know price points on those?
Yes, the 50mm plate is €600, €650, something like that. This big plate, the 90mm plate, will roughly be around €900.
Wow, so very good pricing as well. Again, if you want to place a pre-order or you would like further information, do get in touch with us at Visual Impact. The number is 0208 977 1222, or you can jump onto the website www.visuals.co.uk.